Miniaturization just went out of control. Look, this is my large coffee. This is a beach chair that I got, and this is my latest smartphone. What is going on? Is there any solution? Yes, there is. Bernstein and the tools for electronics are a great answer for all your microscopic screws. Let's go through the offer of precision screwdrivers. We'll have a closer look at the unique features and maybe show some secrets. Let me start with the cutest name for screwdrivers. These are Liliputs. But don't be fooled by the sweetness. The small size is the greatest strength. Strong steel blade and a stable handle. All you need for your small screws. Comes with a tip width of 2.0 or his bigger brother 2.8 mm. What's important, they are a great value. Budget option with high quality. If you already fell in love with them, you can get a set of 60 Lilliput screwdrivers. Comes with an awesome blue stand.
Cut.
Who would want 60 Liliputs?
You kidding me? I already ordered 2 sets. A profession where I could imagine the need for small screwdrivers is watchmaking. Mechanical watches, as a timeless classic, are still very popular and often very pricey. To properly take care of all the gears you need, reliable tools. Here are mini aluminium screwdrivers. High precision tools according to factory standards. Blades made of high-quality burnished molybdenum vanadium steel. They are particularly durable and glare-free, even in the high light. Great if you are making YouTube videos about repairing watches. Aluminium handle with the smooth running rotating cap fits in your hand and assure comfortable work. The available sizes are slotted 3.5 to 0.6 and Phillips from 1 down to Phillips 00000. That is really tiny. You can get watchmaker screwdrivers individually or as sets. For more convenience, there is a version with interchangeable tips. Great if you are a watchmaker on the go. If you like things organized, you're gonna love this. Color-coded micro screwdrivers. With a quick look, you can find the right size and drastically improve your workflow. Now available in 10 slotted and 5 Phillips sizes. The sturdy plastic handle with the rotating cap gives you the well-known Bernstein comfort. Go to tme.eu and get them individually or in sets of 5. Electronics are even more fragile than your Swiss watches. That's why you should use tools that will keep them safe from the worst enemy: electrostatic discharges. Our hero is a special handle material that dissipates charges, preventing you from becoming zeus. Let's take a moment to look closer at the handle. The ergonomic design allows for comfort with every grip. Just look at those pictures from the catalog. No matter how weirdly you will grab, you will always be comfortable. Freely swiveling cap for max precision and, for speeding up your workflow, easy to read indications on the top. ESD tools come also as handles with interchangeable bits. The flexibility of available bits allows you to open almost every device. Very often you can get sets that are dedicated to that purpose, just like this one. I can already imagine opening old iPods. They are collectibles now, you know. For more information about ESD safety, you can check our other video. The Storey tool holder was developed as practical storage for hand tools. Now they are always within reach, whether as a table stand or a wall holder. It will always find a place in a well-organized workspace. Simple, yet very effective. Of course, Bernstein offers a wide variety of tools for electronics. Subscribe to not miss any videos where we're gonna talk more about them. Yes, there is. Look, you kidding me? Who wouldn't? I love it. Width of 2.0 and his bigger brother.
Bigger bugger?
Bigger bugger! Kruca Fuchs!